Primo, first basket, yes. 2-0. Dimalanta, floater of the glass to beat the shot clock. Ramos, pull-up jumper. Gets the bounce. Layup. That is good. 4-0. Primo takes the spin, fading away. That is beautiful from Primo. 3-point attempt. 3. Primo, Baba punches it through. 3. Coronel attacking. Nice. Tinago pa yung bola. Chris. Ramos. Set shot. No. Coronel. Taps it. 2. 3. Pangaliban. Pangaliban. Marcelina. Yeah. Santos open. Yeah. They'll take it. Time out. Nice fake. Mendoza attacks. Coronel. Uy naman. That is a good move. Step back, Dimalanta. 3. D's on. Sa reverse. Second try. Mendoza now advancing. Coronel. Yes. Santos. Scoop layup. Primo. 3. Primo, alley-oop behind the sky play. Tanganan, open runway. Mercado, bouncing into Tanganan. 3. 2. Mercado, Ramos ball fake. Ramos attacks. Ramos gets the back. Baltasar back to him. Nice play. Cross court. This is Dimalanta. Another 3 is run. Panganiban floater. Saktong-sakto. Mercado, Mendoza, Daman, Mendoza again. Taking the shot, pinabayaan, bayad kayo ngayon, makes you pay. Exclamation point na ba yan? Primo, hindi matapos, kakakuha ng foul at the basket. Ramos, 3. Attack, floater, too strong, Primo offensive rebound, yes, on the putback. 3 again, that is Ramos. Coronel gets the layup. Oh no, no basket. Okay, Danganan to the corner again. Ramos, binanda pa. Bang bang bang. Santos sa ilalim. Mercado, no, hanging. Primo baseball to Santos. Touchdown. Ramos nilapit. Good decision. Ramos fakes. Nice pull up by Ramos. Nag-iinit dito. Tatakbo siya. With Mercado. Back to Danganan. That is good. Another close one. Santos pull up. That is good. Danganan. Ramos. Jumper. Short. Oh! Coronel saves the day. Cross court, Mendoza, Ramos, nice fake, too strong, put back, yes. Santos fires back, in and out, another offensive rebound, Primo. Nice pass inside, Baltasar will attack, He's on. That is good. 1 second left. To Primo. Primo will fire. 3. He's on. Attacks. Gets the bounce. And the roller. In and out. Danganan pushing it. Baltazar. Open lane. Mercado. 3. Two against two. Santos. Santos will attack. Strong to the basket. Down to 6. Primo. Step back 3. Punches it through. Edria. Inside to Danganan. Nice play from the